Hi! At Conservamore, we know how confusing it can be making the right choice for both your budget and your conservatory roof. We also know how much you dislike pushy salespeople that come to your house and don't seem to want to leave. Here at Conservamore, we feel that we have a more comfortable solution. In the first instance, we encourage you to head over to our website at conservamoreuk.co.uk. This website is also listed in the description in this YouTube channel. Simply fill in the form on the Conservatory Roof Replacement Cost webpage and press send, making sure your details are correct. We will then call you for a chat at your convenience to explain to you what your options are in terms of the solutions that we offer. Then, if you wish to go any further, you're welcome to book an appointment with one of our surveyors to see if your conservatory is suitable. These can be old structures, so this part of what we do is vital before we could confirm any order. Much can go wrong, which is why we use only the best, most skilled conservatory installers. We want you to be fully informed to make the right decision for you. So head on over right away and leave the worrying to us.